everybody, welcome to the video of Mixed Metals and Wheels. Finally, I've got the package that I've been waiting for 2 weeks. And let's see, we'll do unboxing today um, for this package that I have ordered online. So I want to show you what is inside and what I have ordered. Actually, I ordered sleeves, flips, and capsule. See? So here we go. First, I want to show you what I've got. It's the capsule. Yes, I've ordered this online, and it takes for 2 weeks to get here. And fortunately, one of my friend Gilbert, who ordered with me, so the airtight capsule, it's already having a what do you call that, foam inside, so that you can choose what size of the coin you will put in. So it's nice. This is the first one. We have now the capsule, and also as well as the inside of the box of the capsule. Then second, I've got a 300 pieces of flip holder coin flips. So here you go. So definitely you can find this online. It's very nice. Then hope you like the video as well, and don't forget to subscribe. And there you go. One of this package is the 4-packet currency sleeves from BCW. So it's 100 pieces. So I've ordered 2 because my friend Gilbert ordered it with me. So I'll put it that one. So here you go. So hope you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you do comment, please comment. So thank you guys, and once again, it's Mixed Metals and Wheels here, signing out.